My name is Hussein from Enlighten property. Right now we are here. One of the best developer is called Town-X. So they have 3 projects in JVC. The first one is Luma 21, which is already handed over. There's the second project Luma 22, which is near to JS school, and they have studio 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom. Studio 635 starting price, and the payment plan is like studio 635, 1 bedroom around 970, 2 bedroom around 1.6, and 1.9 for 3 bedroom apartment. So they have 50,000 square feet. The plot is there, and the payment plan is like 50 and 70-30. They have 2 payment plan. So they are making another project. This is called Luma Park View. This is the project already. So it's next to 5 Jumeirah Village Circle, and there's a starting price around, you can say, 1,056,000 for 1 bedroom, 1.6 for 2 bedroom, and 1.7 like 3 bedroom apartment. So stay tuned for more videos. If you're looking for any investment in JVC area, please keep in touch with us. Thank you very much for watching our video.